Now I am going to show you the uses of the tools present in CorelDRAW one by one. So let me draw a box or a square shape from this toolbox. I am going to select this rectangle tool from here and then draw a box on our working area. I have drawn a box here. After that I am going to fill a color to the box. So I will be selecting a color from this color palette. I have selected this yellow color and I have filled the box with the color. Now if I want to move the box from this position to a different position, then I will have to select the box with this pick tool, which is the first tool of the toolbox, and I will be selecting the box, and I can move it from the original position to a different position in the working area. This way I can change the position of the box by using the pick tool. I will have to select it with the pick tool and then drag it with the help of the mouse from one position to another position for moving the box in the page. Now if I want to rotate the box, then I will have to select the box with this pick tool and click in the middle of the box, which is the center, and then the side arrows and all that have changed this way. Here in the corners, from the corners we can change the box for rotating. I will be clicking here and then drag it this way, and you can see the box has been rotated. Again, if we want to tilt to a different angle, then I will have to select the corner arrows, double headed arrows, and drag it to that position where to which angle you want to rotate the box, then it will be rotated that way. Again, here it is a skew option here. Once again I am drawing the box. Select it with the help of the pick tool, click on the box. The nodes have been changed to the rotated double headed arrow marks and the simple and double headed arrow marks. So the corners are corner headed arrow marks are used for rotating the box, and you can see here there are some double headed arrow marks in the middle of this box. So with the help of these arrow marks we can skew the box. What is skew? We can tilt to tilt it to one side of the page. This way you can change the position. It will be slanting, it will become slant to one direction. You can also move it to the top or bottom of the working area. This way you can skew it. So here are two options. One is for the rotating, the box, and the other is for tilting your box or making it slanting to a different position. So this is the use of the pick tool for selecting objects, for rotating or skewing an object. We can use the pick tool, or to move the shape from one position to different position we are going to use the pick tool. After this, next is the shape tool. What is the use of shape tool? Now we are going to see. First of all, draw a box. In this box we can see the corners are pointed here. If we want to make these corners a little bit rounded, then directly you can select the shape tool and click on any of these corner nodes and drag it inwards. Then you can see the corners are replaced by rounded corners. First of all it was a pointed one, after that now it has become a rounded one. This way you can use the shape tool for making a pointed corner to a round one. The shape tool can be also used in a different way. For this, if we want to draw this rectangle tool, I have drawn a rectangle here or square. Now here we can see there are four nodes in 4 corners of this shape. If we want to add a new node to the shape, or if we want to change the shape of this square, then we will have to use the shape tool and we can change the shape of this box. For this we will have to select the shape tool. After that, put the pointer in the middle of this box and right click on it. Select the convert to curves option. Then you can change this position of this node, as well you can change the shape of the square box, a square shape or the box. If we want to delete any one of these nodes, then simply click on this node, right click on it and then click on delete. The node will be deleted. Also we can add a node to the shape. For this, click on any portion of here in the object, then click on right click on the mouse, click on add. The node has been added to this shape. This way we can change the shape of a box to different object. With the help of the shape tool, we can also change the straight line into a curve. For this, we will have to right click on any one of the nodes, then select the to curve option. After that, these nodes will appear and we will have to click on these nodes and drag it upwards or downwards, then the straight line will be converted to a curve. This way we can make a curve in a straight line. Again I am showing it here. Right click on the node, select the to curve option. Nodes will appear in the line and you can drag it upwards or downwards as per requirement, and you can change the straight line into a curve. Using the shape tool, we can make different shapes of the objects given in the toolbox. This way the shape tool is used.